Morning to everyone. My name is Mahesh Rao, Assistant Professor in Chevron Engineering College, Rivoli Department. Today we are discussing to determine the transfer function for given translational mechanical system. So, a translational mechanical system is given. So, that determine the transfer function for this translational mechanical system. First of all, what is meant by transfer function? So the transfer function is Laplace transform of output to the Laplace transform of input with zero initial conditions. With zero initial conditions. So in the given translational mechanical system, Laplace transform of output. So first in this translational mechanical system, so in translational mechanical system, main elements mass, frictional coefficient B, spring element K. Mass element M, frictional coefficient B, spring element K, and applied input F of T. So in the input is applied M of M2. So x1 is the displacement of m1, x is the displacement of m2. So the output. So what is the definition of transfer function? Laplace transform of output to the Laplace transform of input with zero initial conditions. So what is Laplace transform of output? So in this translational mechanical system, so in the second mass is connecting the displacement is output. So mass to displacement is x. So the Laplace transform of x by Laplace transform of input is applied force. Applied force is input. Output is last mass connecting displacement is output. So x of Laplace transform of f of t. So the Laplace transform of x is x of s. Laplace transform of f of t is f of s. This is the transfer function of given translational mechanical system. So in this translational mechanical system, we are determining the transfer function x of s by f of s. Okay. So I will explain what is the procedure to determine the transfer function of translational mechanical system. First, note down the free body diagram of mass. So there is two masses m1 and m2. You draw the first free body diagram of mass 1. After that, free body diagram of mass 2. So apply the Laplace transform of output to the Laplace transform of input. Okay. First, free body diagram of mass 1. So first free body diagram of mass 1. One side is applied force, another side is opposing forces. So mass 1 there is no applied force. So applied force is 0. Opposing forces. So listen carefully. Mass 1 opposing forces. So mass is also opposing force. Fm1 and mass 1 is connecting elements. M1 is connecting K1, B1, K and B. So opposing forces Fk1, Fb1, Fk and Fb. Fm1, Fk1, Fb1, Fk and Fb. So this is the applied forces. These are opposing forces. Opposing force direction, applied force direction. Okay. By Newton's second law. What is Newton's second law? Sum of applied forces. Sum k1 plus fb1 plus fk plus fb. Okay, so opposing forces of mass element, spring element, frictional coefficient. What is the force balance equation? So force balance equation is in mass element and spring element and frictional coefficient. So Fm1. So already last class discussing the force balance equation in translational mechanical system element. So mass element m1 d square x1 by dt square. So mass 1 displacement is x1. So m1 d square x1 by dt square. So k1 fk1. So k1 also connecting only first displacement x1. So k1 into x1. b1 into d by dt of x1. So b1 also connecting only first displacement x1. So draw the b1 d by dt of x1. Next fk. So k element is connecting between the two displacement. So k element is connecting between the two displacement. So k into x1 minus x. Then b element fb. B also connecting between the two displacements x1 minus x. Okay, so substitute all the values, all the things. So mass, spring, frictional coefficient, force balance equations in equation 1. Substitute all the force balance equations. So apply force 0. m1 d square x1 by dt square plus k1 into x1 plus b1 into d by dt of x1 plus k into x1 minus x plus b into d by dt of x1 minus x. This is equation 2. Okay, so the Laplace transform on equation 1. Equation 2, sorry. So Laplace transform of equation 2. So you are determine the transfer function for given translational mechanical system. So because of apply Laplace transform of equation 2. So the Laplace transform of 0, 0. m1 is constant, m1. Laplace transform of d square by dt square equal to x square. Laplace transform of d by dt, yes. So Laplace transform of d square by dt square as the square into x1 of s plus, so k1 is constant, k1 into x1 of s, b1 is constant, b1. Laplace transform of d by dt s into x1 of s plus k into x1 of s minus x of s plus b s into x1 of s minus x of s. So separate x of s terms and x1 of s terms. x1 of s is common, m1 s square plus k1 plus b1s plus k plus bs. m1 s square, k1 b1s, k into x1 of s, so k and bs minus x of s is common, k plus bs. So you want calculate the transfer function x of s by f of s. So because of x1 of s in terms of x of s equation, because of x1 of s into m1 s square plus k1 plus b1s plus k plus b into s is equal to x of s into k plus bs. So x1 of x of s into k plus bs by m1 s square plus k1 plus k plus b plus b1 into s. This is the equation number 3. So, I repeat, free body diagram of mass 1, applied forces one side, opposing forces another side. By Newton's second law states that sum of applied forces is equal to sum of opposing forces. Opposing forces 5. So, force balance equations for the given opposing forces, substitute all the values. After that, apply the Laplace transform in the equation number 2. Okay, so next, draw the free body diagram of mass 2. Draw the free body diagram of mass 2. So, all of you, what's the free body diagram of mass 2? So, mass 2 applied force F of T, opposing forces K, B and K. So, free body diagram of mass 2, applied forces F of T and opposing forces Fm2 and Fb2, Fk and Fb. These are the opposing forces. All of you check M2, B2, K and B. So M2 displacement is x. So Newton's second law. What is Newton's second law? Sum of applied forces is equal to sum of opposing forces. So F of T equal to Fm2 plus Fb2 plus Fk plus Fb. So force balance equations Fm2 m2 into d square x by dt square. So d square x by dt square. So why? So the displacement is x. So d square x by dt square. So b2 f b2 into d by dt of x. So the second mass displacement is x and x k fk. So k is connecting between the two displacements x1 and x. So k into x minus x1 fb b into d by dt of x minus x1. Substitute all the values in free body diagram of force balance equation. F of t equal to m2 into d square x by dt square plus b2 into d by dt of x plus k into x minus x1 plus b into d by dt of x minus x1. This is third equation. For fourth equation, apply Laplace transform on equation 4. Laplace transform on equation number 4 of f of t. F of t, so in the t domain is converted into s domain, apply Laplace transform. So in the t domain, f of t is converted to s domain, f of s. So m2 is constant. Laplace transform of d square by dt square, s square into x of s plus b2 is constant, s into x of s plus k into x of s minus x1 of s plus bs into x of s minus x1 of s. So separate the terms, x of s terms and x1 of s terms. So b2s plus k plus bs minus x1 of s k plus bs. This is fifth equation. So applied force F of s is the input and output is x of s. So in this fifth equation, x1 of s in terms of x of s equation. Okay, so the output equation x1 of s. So equation 5, equation 3 is substituting equation number 5. So after that, so that determine the exact transfer function. So what is the fifth equation? F of s is equal to x of s into m2s square plus b2s plus k plus bs minus x1 of s. So x1 of s is substitute in the equation number 3. So that's x of s into b plus k plus bs by m1 s square plus k1 plus k plus b plus b1 into s into k plus bs. Take LCM in the m1 s square. Take LCM m1 s square plus k1 plus k plus b plus b1 into s. So what is the value of x of s into m2s square plus b2 plus b into s plus k into m1 s square plus k plus k1 plus b plus b1 into s minus k plus bs whole square. So in the first term, in the second term x of s, so that the transfer function x of s by f of s is equal to m1 s square plus k1 plus k plus b plus b1 into s. So in the reverse, with the x of s by f of s in the reverse equation by m1 s square plus k plus k1 plus b plus b1 into s into m2 s square plus b2 plus b into s plus k minus b plus k plus bs whole square. This is the transfer function of given translational mechanical system. So I repeat the one of the procedure. The given translational mechanical transfer function determine first. So draw the free body diagram of mass 1. After that Newton's second law apply, and after that force balance equation. After that apply Laplace transform. In the same, in the free body diagram of mass 2, and after that determine the transfer function of given translational mechanical system. Thank you.